Welcome everybody to Breathless Riviera Cancún. I am about to take you on a tour of the Xhale Club Swim Out Tropical View Suite. Now, one thing I want you to notice right out here is that you do have this room service box. So if for any reason your do not disturb light is on, which is here, it will place your food in the room service box. And from inside the room, you can access your room service when you're ready. Okay, you can also return your dishes there, which makes it very convenient. So it does give you that amount of privacy, which is wonderful. This room does come with a Cappuccino Maker. You've got bucket here for ice. You've got your fridge with mini bar, restocked daily. And you also have a coffee maker. Now right over here is the restroom. You do have a nice door to close this off for privacy. His and her sinks. And lots of signature Breathless products. You are welcome to take these home with you when you leave. I love that they gave me toothpaste because this was something that I only had a little bit. As you can see, my Arm & Hammer is almost gone. So I was very happy to see that I didn't have to buy any toothpaste. So yes, I will be taking all of these products home with me, including these cute little bath salts. Love it. Now the shower I particularly love. I definitely love the stone detail. And literally the shower is big enough for 3 to 4 people. As you can see, you have your detachable spray, rainfall shower head there, and rainfall shower head there. So I've been having lots of fun in this bad boy because I love the water. So very nice. The only thing I'm sad about with this room is that there is no tub. I would prefer a tub, take a nice little soak, but if you don't have the swim up, the other rooms in this category that are in the Xhale Club do have jacuzzis on the balcony. So I lost the jacuzzi on the balcony in exchange for the swim up, which I will show you guys in a moment. All right, now here's the closet. They do give you ample closet space. You also get robes and slippers, ironing board with iron, a nice convenient umbrella for those random Caribbean showers, extra blankets, a safe, which is more than big enough for a laptop, a scale, and also a little box down there for storing your shoes. And we're just now getting to the bedroom. I like this vanity area here. So you've got some space to get ready. There's your ottoman that you can pull out and use in front of the mirror there. There's your flat screen TV mounted up on the wall. Dressers, plenty of space for storing. This room does have a king bed. However, they also have this room available with 2 beds as well. Now here's a really neat feature. So you don't just have to only have your lights on, you can decide what kind of mood you want. So right now I have the master on, which is just all the lights. But watch what happens when I select heartbeat. Ooh, isn't that pretty? That definitely sets the mood. Then we can switch it to whisper. Whisper so far has been my favorite because it's just really mellow. And not only does it change the lighting behind the bed, it actually changes the lighting in the room as well, which is a really great feature. Okay, there also is a nice fan, and I love that the controls for the fan are conveniently located right next to the bed. So you just come over here in this area, reach over, and bam, there your fan goes. And if you get too hot, too cold, you can use the controls to adjust or turn it off. Telephone, and it actually is cordless, which is nice, so if you need to move about the room. And what's also great with this package is that you actually get unlimited local and calls to the US and Canada. So if you don't have a cell phone package that allows you to dial when you're in Mexico, this resort also allows you to make phone calls back home, check on your family, your kids, whoever you need to. Now here's another little seating area. I'm using it for my luggage. I am a resort hopper, so after spending a few nights here, I'm going to be at another resort, so I don't like to unpack. So I find it convenient to just throw one suitcase right here on a couch. My other suitcase is right over there. I just grab what I need, and then when it's time to go to the next resort, I don't have to pack up again. Now for the moment you've been waiting for, the swim out. Now, one thing that's really great about this is I love that they also have the extra screen door. A lot of resorts don't include the screen door, and I love it because I like to sometimes sleep with the natural air coming through, and mosquitoes love to attack me. So having that screen is wonderful. You've got 2 regular sitting chairs out here, but you also have a nice lounge chair, and then direct access to your own little private oasis. And of course, there's your neighbors and other people who have access to it as well. But this is not accessible to everybody else in the resort. So it really makes it nice, really makes it peaceful, and it doesn't close. So when the regular resort pool closes, which at this resort is at 8 o'clock, if you still want to stay in the water, if you're like me, a 100% water bug, you're going to be out here till midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, as long as you're not making too much noise and interrupting your neighbors. So this one is considered a tropical view, but it's nice that I actually can see the ocean right here from my patio and also from my room. So it's been actually very nice. Again, this is the Xhale Club. There's 3 different categories of areas in the resort. The Xhale Club is basically their VIP section, and it's the more quiet area of the resort. Okay. If you want to be in the fun party area, that would be their Accelerate Club. That's where they have the DJ going pretty much all day, every day. And of course, being a person staying here, you get to access that as well. The other guests staying in the other areas do not actually get to come to the Xhale Club. The Xhale Club has its own pool, which you can see just a little bit from the room. There's the Xhale Club pool and also its own private restaurant. So that's nice as well. One more feature I do want to show you in case you're coming here with your girlfriends. As you can see, this shower is completely open, right? It's glass, but there is a nice curtain. So if you guys needed some privacy, you can definitely have that. So that's a really nice feature. Well, I thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed the room tour. And if you're interested in booking this resort or any other resort, be sure to give us a call at Mayfield Elite Travel. We would love to help you. We do have a new feature which allows you to book your trip online. Just go to mayfieldelitetravel.com/book-online and search and book 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you still will get our world-class customer service and a price match guarantee. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, I only travel elite.